Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily write your first closure in Swift on your Mac. So for doing this, first thing you just need to write constant. So for example with name Max. So after just write like this, and here you can see our closure. So now we just print some text on our screen. So for example, hi. And now we just need to call our closer. So our closer is without parameters. So now just let's run our app. So here you can see that it successfully write hi. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.